you're facing a billing hold on your Apple ID, it can prevent you from making purchases or accessing certain services. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your payment information. Log into your Apple ID account page and verify that your payment information is up to date. Ensure that your credit card details are correct and that the billing address matches the one on file with your bank. Step 2. Review your purchase history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Update your payment method. If your current payment method is expired or invalid, update it with a new credit card or payment option. Go to Settings on your device, tab on your name, select Payment and Shipping, and make the necessary changes. Step 4. Contact Apple Support. If the billing hold persists after updating your information, reach out to Apple Support. They can provide assistance and help identify any issues with your account that may be causing a hold. Step 5. Wait for processing. After making the necessary changes or contacting support, allow some time for the updates to process. It may take a few hours for the billing hold to be lifted, so check back later to see if the issue has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your Apple ID and regain access to your account. If problems continue, consider reaching out for further assistance.